I'm really excited to share this great project today with you that's a whole new approach to paper crafting. We're going to use artistic software and a digital cutter to create this beautiful pomander. Now this looks like it took a lot of time and work to make, doesn't it? But with artistic software, it was so quick and easy. We're going to use a simple styrofoam ball, some cardstock, ribbon, and some brads. And when we're done, you're going to have a beautiful centerpiece to show your friends. I've already opened the artistic drawing section of the software. The first screen that opens is going to help you get set up with the type of project you wish to design. Since we're simply doing an outline, we're just going to select a neutral color and click Next. Even though there are over 3,500 designs built into the software, I've selected one I've picked from the internet. I'm going to click on Trace because I want to convert my design to an outline and click Next. Click Trace and Finish. Once the design is on my screen, make sure your select icon is selected. Very carefully, click on the outline of the design, right mouse click on Auto Border, make sure you select the running stitch and click on OK. Go to File, Export, to Crystal Cutters, and there's your design, ready to be cut out. Very easy, no tracing, no scissors. But obviously, the pomander takes more than one flower. So we're going to close the screen out, zoom back out, and we're going to grab this design, and we're going to bring it up here to the top corner of our mat. Go to our array, and we're going to click on Apply Rectangular Array. And there we have a full page, which will cover one piece of scrapbooking paper filled with flowers. So now all we have to do is cut it out. As I mentioned, most cardstock is the perfect size for the adhesive mat that is used for the digital cutter. So place your paper on the mat and simply press down. You want it to be nice and tight and firm onto the mat so you'll have a nice clean cut. Now we're going to simply load the mat into the cutter. Push up the two bars on the side so that you can push the mat in. Push them back up so it's nice and secure. Now with the artistic software, we're going to feed the mat in further. We can click on Trace to make sure that our design is going to fit. And as you can see, this one clearly does. Now all we have to do is click Cut. Wasn't that fast and easy? Can you imagine having to cut that out all by yourself? Now we're just going to remove it from the cutter. And we just start removing the flowers. Simply remove the flowers from the mat and put them to the side. Now all we have to do is add some brads to put your flowers in place. And remember, this is just one design out of hundreds. You can decide what kind of design you want to do. It doesn't have to be a flower. It can be a butterfly, different colors. You can make a topiary for a bridal shower. The possibilities are endless. The only thing that's going to limit you is your imagination. If you're having a hard time getting these to attach to the ball, you could also use some tacky glue. And then that'll make sure that the flowers stay nice and tight on here. Once you have all the flowers attached to the ball, add some beautiful ribbon, and you have a centerpiece that everybody will be talking about. Thank you for joining me.